Hello students, welcome back to my YouTube channel VGC on Dot myself Kanchan. Today in this video I shall discuss to you about few solved questions of biology asked in NEET medical test paper. So let's start now. The first question: which one of the following is not a gaseous biogeochemical cycle in ecosystem? First, nitrogen cycle, second, carbon cycle, third, सल्फर साइकिल एंड फोर्थ फास्फोरस साइकिल. सो इसका सही ऑप्शन होगा फास्फोरस साइकिल. फास्फोरस साइकिल is a sedimentary biogeochemical cycle. It describes the movement of phosphorus through the lithosphere, hydrosphere and biosphere, and main reservoir pools is lithosphere. Atmosphere does not play any significant role in the movement of phosphorus because phosphorus and phosphorus based compounds are usually solid at the typical range of temperature and pressure found on earth. The next question: which one of the following is a wrong statement? First, greenhouse effect is a natural phenomena. Second, eutrophication is natural phenomena in the freshwater bodies. Third, most of the forests have been lost in tropical areas. And fourth, ozone in upper part of atmosphere is harmful to animals. So इसका सही ऑप्शन होगा ओजोन इन अपर पार्ट ऑफ एटमॉस्फेयर इज हार्मफुल टू एनिमल्स. Ozone is a gas in the atmosphere that protects everything living on the earth from harmful ultraviolet rays from the sun. The next question: the highest number of species in the world is represented by first algae, second lichen, third fungi and fourth mosses. तो इसका सही ऑप्शन होगा fungi. Fungi is represent the highest number of species in the world. Around 1 lakh species of fungi have been formally described by taxonomists, but the global biodiversity of kingdom is not fully understood. The next question: yeast is used in the production of first bread and beer, second cheese and butter, third citric acid and lactic acid and fourth lipase and pectinase. तो इसका सही ऑप्शन होगा ब्रेड एंड बियर. Saccharomyces cerevisiae is known as baker yeast and Saccharomyces elapscidens is called wine yeast. These are used in baking and brewing industry respectively. The next question: which one of the following microbes form symbiotic association with plant and help them in their nutrition? First, Glumus, second, Trichoderma, third, Azotobacter and fourth, Aspergillus. तो इसका सही ऑप्शन होगा ग्लूमस. ग्लूमस is genus of arbuscular mycorrhizal fungi and all species form symbiotic relationship with plant root. Several species of Glumus. The next question: a single strand of nucleic acid tagged with a radioactive molecules is called first plasmid, second probe, third vector and fourth selectable marker. तो इसका सही ऑप्शन होगा probe. Probe are 15 to 13 base long radioactive labeled oligonucleotides, that is RNA or DNA, used to detect complementary nucleotide sequence used for disease diagnosis. The next question: a patient brought to a hospital with myocardial infarction is normally immediately given first cyclosporin A, second statins, third penicillin and fourth streptokinase. So इसका सही ऑप्शन होगा streptokinase. Streptokinase, a protein secreted by several species of streptococci, can bind and activate humans plasminogen. It is used as an effective and inexpensive thrombolysis medication. The next question. A nitrogen fixing microbes associated with Azolla in rice field is first Frankia, second Tolpothrix, थर्ड स्पाइरुलिना एंड फोर्थ एनाबिना। तो इसका सही ऑप्शन होगा एनाबिना। एनाबिना एजोली इज ए फ्री लिविंग नाइट्रोजन फिक्सिंग वीजीए or cyanobacterium, but it may also live symbiotically in the leaf cavity of Azolla. Azolla is aquatic, free-floating, freshwater pteridophytes. The next question. Which one is a true statement regarding DNA polymerase used in PCR? First, it is isolated from a virus. Second, it remains active at high temperature. Third, it is used to ligate introduced DNA in recipient cell. And fourth, it serves as selectable marker. तो इसका सही ऑप्शन होगा it remains active at high temperature. PCR is used to amplify a DNA segment or to synthesize in vitro the multiple copy of gene of interest using two set of primers and the enzyme DNA polymerase. DNA polymerase enzyme is isolated from a bacteria, that is Thermus aquaticus, and it remains active during the high temperature, but high temperature induced denaturation of double-stranded DNA. The next question. Consumption of which one of following food can prevent the kind of blindness associated with vitamin A deficiency? First, golden rice. Second, BT brinjal. Third, फ्लेवर सावर टोमेटो एंड फोर्थ कैनोला। तो इसका सही ऑप्शन होगा गोल्डन राइस। गोल्डन राइस इज ए वेराइटी ऑफ ओरिजिन सटाइवा प्रोड्यूस थ्रू जेनेटिक इंजीनियरिंग टू बायोसिंथेसाइज बीटा कैरोटीन, ए प्रिकर्सर ऑफ विटामिन ए, in the edible part of rice, that is endosperm. The next question. Which one of the following is a case of wrong matching? First, micropropagation in vitro production of plant in large numbers. Second, callus unorganized mass of cell produced in tissue culture. Third, somatic hybridization, fusion of two diverse cells. And fourth, vector DNA site for tRNA synthesis. इसका सही ऑप्शन होगा वेक्टर डीएनए साइट फॉर टीआरएनए सिंथेसिस। व्हाट इज वेक्टर? वेक्टर इज ए डीएनए मॉलिक्यूल्स यूज्ड एज ए व्हीकल टू ट्रांसफर ऑफ foreign genetic materials into desired cell. When tRNA is synthesized in the nucleus on a DNA template. The next question. Which part would be most suitable for raising virus-free plant for micropropagation? First, meristem. Second, node. Third, bark. And fourth, vascular tissue. So इसका सही ऑप्शन होगा मेरिस्टम। मेरिस्टम generally it is believed that actively growing region of plant, that is shoot apex and root apex, do not have virus. Due to this big advantage, these regions are used in the production of virus-free plants through meristem culture technique. The next question. For transformation microparticles coated with DNA to be bombarded with gene are made up of. First, silicon or platinum. Third, gold or tungsten. Third, silver or platinum. And fourth, platinum or zinc. सो इसका सही ऑप्शन होगा गोल्ड और टंगस्टन। गोल्ड और टंगस्टन बायोलॉजिक और जीन गन इज ए डायरेक्ट और वेक्टरलेस वे यूज टू इंट्रोड्यूस अलाइन डीएनए इनटू होस्ट सेल्स। इन दिस मेथड ऑफ जीन ट्रांसफर हाई वेलोसिटी माइक्रोपार्टिकल्स ऑफ ए गोल्ड और टंगस्टन coated with DNA as bombarded on the plant cell. The next question. The cyanobacteria are also referred to as first slime mold, second blue green algae, third protista, and fourth golden algae. तो इसका सही ऑप्शन होगा ब्लू ग्रीन एल्गी। ब्लू ग्रीन एल्गी आल्सो नोन एज साइनोफाइसी और मिक्सोफाइसी और वीजी। वीजी are gram-positive photosynthetic prokaryotes which perform oxygenic photosynthesis. Photosynthetic pigment include chlorophyll A, carotenoids, or phycobilins. And phycobilins. The next question: which one single organism or the pair of organism is correctly assigned to its or their named taxonomic group? First is to use in making bread and beer is a fungus. Second, nostoc and anabaena are example of protista. Third, paramecium and plasmodium belong to the same kingdom as that of penicillium. And fourth, lichen is composite organism formed from the symbiotic association of an algae and protozoans. तो इसका सही ऑप्शन होगा is used in making bread and beer is a fungus. Thanks to all viewers, students. I hope that you will like our videos. So please like, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel VGC on dot. Please share this video to your friends and to get the latest notification of new uploaded video. Please press the bell icon button. थैंक यू। जय हिंद, जय भारत।